Hey, welcome back to the GS 450 Suzuki Dual Sport build. If you haven't seen the first episode, there will be a card to link you to the first episode right up here. So today we're going to be working on the shock. Going to get some of these brackets here cut off, get them out of our way. Got to build some tabs to get the dog bones connected to the frame. And hopefully we get this shock mounted in here. So stick around and see what I got. So I'm going to get these air filters off of here, get them out of the way, take the tank off, give us some room to work here. Start cutting some stuff off here. Maybe take this brake switch off, brake light switch. Come on, oh, there you go. Geez, how long are the threads? Ah, gotcha. If you see my butt crack, I hope you don't mind. This is probably going to be making a few appearances here. Got him. All right, let's see what this will do. Alright, I'm going to get this shock put back in here and just see what kind of clearance we made. Well, come on now, get in there. There you go. Alright, that looks pretty good. Yeah, that's going to work out nicely. Just need to build a tab right here. Hold the top of the shock in. Tabs down here, hold the dog bones in. I don't know what you call them. I call them dog bones. These little dangly bits down under here. Okay, so here is said jiggly bits, dog bone, whatever you want to call this thing. I noticed that the jiggly bits are quite a bit jigglier than they should be. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to order some parts. There's it's missing some pieces in here. So there's supposed to be all these pieces. So you notice there's just a pin in that one and just a hole straight through. Should have all this stuff in it. And then there's needle bearings inside there. So definitely gonna have to order up all this stuff, and I can't do any mock-up with this being loose, because I'll put the bearing in there and then it won't be in the same place. So I think I'm just gonna have to make a bushing to hold this where it's supposed to be, so I can make the tabs and put the tabs in the right place. So I've looked everywhere. I cannot find and I don't think I have any material that, I don't have any pipe that's the right inner and outer diameters. I don't have any more 1-inch bar stock. I'd have to drive 35 minutes, 40 minutes to the steel shop. I did find this. This is a wrist pin out of some ATV. Couldn't tell you what. It's been here forever. But I do notice that it slips, the pin slips right in there. So the inside's right. The outside, however, is not right. I need to turn this down. So let me turn this down, and also need to shorten it to fit in between there. Alright, let's do that. Well, this thing is as hard as anything. I don't know what kind of steel this is. It's definitely a high carbon hardenable steel, which I imagine it would be for a wrist pin. I don't know, O100, W100. I don't know. It's pretty hard stuff. It's about like bearing material. This is all I got. I don't want to drive an hour and be in the steel shop. And no, I'm gonna try to anneal this. Let me get the torch out, heat this thing up, see if I can't soften it. Yeah, that'll stay warm there and cool down slowly. Hopefully that'll soften up. What the hell is this shit made of? Wow, that is definitely not mild steel. Sharpen this bit again here. Well, this ought to be fun. Alright, so this is a high-speed steel drill bit. Let's see if this will cut it. You never know what you're going to get when you go to the drop bin at the steel shop. I think it's mild steel, but it may not be. Smoking. Alright, how big is this pin here? Uh-oh, my battery died? My battery's about dead. All right. 626. This isn't going to be fun, guys.
Yeah, I'm back to this. I don't know what this steel is, but it's not mild steel. We'll try to soften it.
Alright, I gotta make a run uptown. Getting about that time to ride in the swamp donkey here. Oh, Bessie. Oh, gotta love those taxpayer dollars. Hi. I'll take a barbecue bacon burger.
Everything on it?
Yeah, make it a double.
Like a double?
Yes, please. And some French fries.
Any dipping sauce?
How about ketchup?
Ketchup? Okay.
Oh, catch a red light. That's a nice bike. Pretty nice bike, isn't it? I can't see the light, the shine in my eyes. I think it's green. No, we're gonna go with it. It must have been green. You guys will have to excuse me while I food myself here. Oh yeah, that's good. That's very good. Well, I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna see if we can't get a drill bit through that piece of metal. Finally get these tabs in. Seems like it's been taking forever. All right, will it drill? Let's find out. Jesus, man, that's some tough steel. Alright, so after plenty of screwing around, I got the brackets. Yay. So get these slapped on here. Alright. Alright, got those things tacked in there. I have a sneaking suspicion that I'm probably going to be cutting them tacks off there after I redo all the bearings in this linkage. But that's for another day. Now I've got to get the top of the shock mounted here. So make a couple brackets for that and we'll keep on moving forward. Alright, so here's what I come up with for the upper shock mount, shock perch, shock, whatever you want to call it. Got a couple spacers, bolts, and these brackets. Alright, let's get this installed. Alright, so here's what I got. There's one thing I've learned from doing this, is you don't fully weld anything until you've tested it first. So it's just tacked in, and it's going to stay that way until I know that it's going to work. But there's the shock end, got the dog bones. The jiggly bits aren't so jiggly no more. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the rear end. I mean, there's other stuff. I got to put a battery in here. It's probably going to go right here. I thought I was going to have more room, but with this expansion chamber there now, it's going to leave me just enough room for a battery right there. So yeah, I think I'm going to take it down off the jack and look at it under its own weight. Just see how it feels. Yeah, let's do that. Wow guys, that was an awful lot of work for only a little bit of progress, but that's how it goes. You know, we're going to continue to work on this, and next time we're going to work on the front end. And I'm going to tell you right now, that was a lot of work too. So if you guys want to stick around and watch the rest of this build, please subscribe, please hit that bell notification icon, please give it a thumbs up, and just remember, what takes you minutes to watch takes me days to record. Thanks for watching. I just gotta wonder if anybody else on the planet has ever done anything like this. But let's see if this will fit, see if it'll work.